Modi was born on 17 September 1950. He is an Indian politician serving as the 14th and current Prime Minister of India. Modi was the Chief Minister of Gujarat from 2001 to 2014. He is the Member of Parliament from Varanasi, and he is a member of the Bharatiya Janata Party and its National Democratic Alliance. And he was born and raised in Vadnagar, a small town in northeastern Gujarat. Modi completed his secondary education there and is said to have helped his father to sell tea at the local railway station. He was introduced to the RSS at age 8. Modi left his home at the age of 18 soon after his marriage, whom he abandoned and publicly acknowledged as his wife. Many decades later, Modi has asserted that he travelled around India for 2 years, visiting a number of religious centers. Upon his return to Gujarat in 1971, he became a full-time worker for the RSS. After the state of emergency declared by the Indian Prime Minister Indira Gandhi country in 1975, Modi went into hiding. The RSS assigned him to the BJP in 1985 and he held several positions within the party until 2001, rising to the rank of General Secretary. Modi was appointed as the Chief Minister of Gujarat in 2001 and Modi was elected to the Legislative Assembly soon after. His administration has been considered complicit in the 2002 Gujarat riots, in which 1,044 people were killed. The Supreme Court remarked that Narendra Modi was like a modern day hero, looking the other way as innocent women and children were burning. Senior police officer Sanjeev Bhatt and Subharanju Chaudhary, a BBC correspondent, claimed to have attended a meeting at Narendra Modi's residence, where the Gujarat Chief Minister said Hindus should be allowed to vent their anger against Muslims. However, a special investigation team appointed by the Supreme Court cleared Modi of any charges. His policies as the Chief Minister credited with encouraging economic growth. His administration has been criticized for failing to significantly improve health and poverty and education. And after the Bharatiya Janata Party led National Democratic Alliance won a landslide in the 2014 Lok Sabha election, Narendra Modi was sworn in as the Prime Minister of India on 26 May 2014. He became the first Prime Minister born after the India's independence from the British Empire in 1947. Modi started his second term after Bharatiya Janata Party and led National Democratic Alliance won again in the 2019 Lok Sabha election. Modi became the fourth longest serving Prime Minister of India and longest serving non-Congress Prime Minister in 2020. And the Modi government launched investigations by the Intelligence Bureau against numerous civil society organizations and foreign non-governmental organizations in the first year of the administration. And Modi started a monthly radio program titled Man Ki Baat on 3rd October 2014. Modi also launched the Digital India program with the goal of ensuring that government services are available electronically. Building infrastructure to provide high-speed internet access to rural areas, boosting manufacturing of electronic goods in the country, and promoting digital literacy. And Modi also launched Ujjwala scheme to provide free LPG connection to rural households. The scheme led to an increase in LPG consumption by 56% in 2019 as compared to 2014. In 2019, a law was passed to provide 10% of reservation to economically weaker sections. And Modi launched the Swachh Bharat mission. The Indian government began constructing millions of toilets in rural areas and encouraging people to use them. The government also announced plans to build new sewage treatment plants. The administration plans to construct 60 million toilets by 2019. In 2020, Modi was among 8 world leaders awarded the Ig Nobel Prize in Medical Education for using the COVID 19 viral pandemic to teach the world that politicians can have a more immediate effect on life and death than scientists and doctors can. On 21st December 2020, President Donald Trump was awarded Modi for elevating the India and United States relations. On 24th February 2021, the largest cricket stadium in the world at Ahmedabad was renamed Narendra Modi Stadium by the Gujarat Cricket Association.